If you have accounts with multiple companies using the app, don't worry. Switching between them is quick and easy. Let's start with how to log into a second account for the first time. First, tap on the menu icon in the top corner. Now tap on the power icon to log out of your current account. Confirm the logout. Once you're logged out, simply log in using your second account credentials. That's it. Now both of your accounts are saved on the app. Now let's see how to switch between accounts without logging out. Again, open the menu. Tap on the Company section to expand it. Here, you'll see all the accounts you've logged into. Just tap on the account you want to switch to. You'll notice a check mark that shows which account you're currently using. And just like that, you're in your next account, no extra login needed. One important thing to remember: you can only switch between accounts if you've logged into each one at least once before. Also, you'll continue receiving notifications from all the accounts you're signed into.